is a tire compressor, and it is an upcoming trend in most vehicles that are being produced nowadays. Most vehicles do not come with a spare wheel, and instead they come with this electrical device. And in this video, courtesy of Petrolet and Impact Motors, we are going to show you how to make use of your tire compressor when your pressure is low on your tires, or even when you're in a puncture and you need to get to the nearest petrol station. So keep it locked and stay tuned. The Toyota Tire Puncture Repair Kit is a convenient and efficient solution for temporary tire repairs. This kit is designed to quickly address minor punctures without the need for a spare tire, making it especially useful in emergencies. It includes a sealant bottle and an air compressor, allowing you to both seal the puncture and reinflate the tire. The process is very straightforward. Connect the sealant to the tire valve, activate the compressor, and let the sealant fill and seal the puncture. This method provides a temporary fix, enabling you to drive safely to a service center for a permanent repair. It is a practical feature for Toyota vehicles, emphasizing safety and convenience. And this is the nozzle that feeds the air into your tires. So let's set up the tire compressor and tell you guys how to use it. First up, it uses the plug that gets into the cigarette lighting port, which is also known as the 12-volt socket. And this port gets into the 12-volt socket. And the first thing is that you must ensure that the car is on. And that is by turning the car on simply like this. After turning the car on, you ensure the compressor is off from this part over here, and then plug in the compressor into the cigarette lighting port just like that. Now let's go out and set it up. Now the second step is to take this hose from the boot of your car and connect it to the tire compressor this way. Just ensure that the hose gets into the nozzle of the tire compressor really tightly. That way, if you turn it on, it will start pressurizing this hose, and it will feed air into the tires. So remove this white safety pin from the nozzle of the feeder pump and connect it this way. It is just plug and play like that. With that being done, you turn on the tire compressor this way, and that sound is to show you that it is feeding air into the vehicle. And now when the car gets to the right amount of PSI, you turn it off like this and remove the hose from your tire. And that is how you fill your tire with pressure using the tire compressor. Keep it locked, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next episode of Petrolet.